My name is Richard Ajiti, and this is my partner Philip Aluti. Please, the name of our ad is called My Admo. Now, what My Admo is the extension, a browser extension that allows users to get points from viewing ads, and then also helps advertising companies to also let people see their ads.
Admo has a web page where you get to explains to you what Admo does and then how to install Admo. Now we want to get you started on Admo. So yeah. Now to get started, Admo will require that you either create an account, either as a user or an advertiser. The user, of course, is the one that views the ads and then earns points for viewing the ads. And the advertiser is the one that sells the ads. It sells on the marketplace or advertises their products to be bought on the marketplace. Okay. So he will choose the user. Now, the user would fill in their details, of course, their username, their emails and passwords. After there would be in the sign up process, the user is also given the privilege to choose the kind of preferences that they would also want, as in the types of ads that they might want to view. Yeah. So you now sign in. Now, on the dashboard of Admo, we display to you the products that you might have purchased with the points that you earned through using Admo, the total points that you currently have, and of course the points that you've used and the orders that you've made with Admo. Now Admo offers a marketplace where the user can purchase things, can purchase items with the points that they might have earned through the ads that they watched. Yeah. So we'll go through the buying process. So upon clicking the product to buy, Admo even guides you as to how you can buy the product, the payment processes and everything, yeah. And even the location that you might be in, so that if in case we are to deliver the product to you, Admo does that. All right. So the reason why the user might not be able to purchase the current product that was selected is because the current points that the user has, it does not suffice to what the product requires. Hence, an error showing that the points is not enough. Okay. So now Admo also provides a site for orders. Orders because after a user wants to purchase an item on the marketplace, upon selecting the product to buy and filling in the details, the order remains pending because the advertiser or whoever is selling the product has to approve that indeed they have received the money or they have received the points that the buyer was sending. And upon confirmation from the advertiser side, the order is confirmed and then they receive their product. Now we want to take you through the experience, the Admo experience, the My Admo experience of using my Admo experience in surfing the internet. So upon enabling the extension, you would realize that Admo would block all these ads that may be on the page. However, in order not to interrupt your user experience when using these ads, when surfing through your web pages, Admo will delay for some time and allow you to enjoy your web page. However, after some time, it will display a button which will now enable you to view an ad and then earn a point. So after some time, the My Admo button displays, and upon pressing it and upon clicking it, it immediately opens a window where you can view an ad and then earn a point. So the ad that you may be viewing, you will not earn a point until a sufficient amount of time passes upon you viewing the ad. And after that time, a button appears that allows you to earn the reward for viewing the ad. Another feature that we added is that, you see, we realize that oftentimes when ad companies advertise their products on web pages, people might not view the ads, and this might also go as a downside towards the advertising companies. So in order to make sure that people do view the ads, we added an extra feature that allows people to view the ads, and the very moment they take their attention, Because someone might say that I would allow the ads to play on the background and continue doing my going through my web processes and ignore the ad just to earn a point after every 20 seconds or every time that the ad plays after some time. So in order to prevent this, we put a feature so that the very moment a user loses focus from the ad that he is watching, the ad closes immediately and they do not earn a point.